What's up, guys? Welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to learn prompt engineering for writing email template. All right, so we're going to utilize this tool called whole analysis, and make sure that you're on write something sections and then select email. All right, because we want to create email template. So just enter the main topic, like what's going to be the objective of your email. So I guess I'm going to try with this topic, email to invite my clients for future collaborations. Right, so I want to invite my clients for future collaborations. All right, for the subtopics, I think I'm going to leave this empty. All right, what else? Because I'm trying to convince my client to join my project, I'm going to select persuasive. Right, so I'm trying to convince the prospect of my project, so my clients will consider to join my project, right? And right in this tone, so I'm going to select optimistic. All right, so I want the tone to be optimistic. What else? Include this keyword. So there are like several keywords that I want to include. So those are projects, prospective. What else? Maybe profitable. I think that's it. I'm just gonna include these three keywords. And for the negative keywords, so if you have anything to be excluded from the prompt, just make sure that you add those keywords here, right? Okay, cool. And reading grade level. So this time I want my email template to look very professional, right? And my client is definitely highly educated. So I think it's not going to be a big problem if we increase the reading grade level all the way up to grade 12, right? So obviously ChatGPT is going to be more frequently using more complex vocabularies, but I think it's going to look professional and it's going to be good for us, right? And required word count. I don't want the email to be very long because I want to make sure the client will read like the whole thing. But at the same time, I also don't want it to be very short, right? Because very short email template looks not very professional. So I think I'm going to go with 250 words, or maybe that's too long. I'm just gonna go with 200 words. All right. Okay, cool. Or maybe even 200 words is too long. So I'm just gonna go with 150 words. All right. I think that's it. I'm just gonna copy this prompt. Right. Very cool prompt here. Right. 150 word email about invitations. Okay. I think I need to fix this. All right. So I'm going to fix it. Invitation. So write 150 word email about invitations for my clients. Invitation to my clients for future collaborations. All right, so I'm just gonna copy this, or maybe you can just click on this button, and then let's go to ChatGPT and then paste that prompt here, and then enter. All right, so we'll see. ChatGPT is now generating us the email template where you can customize it. Feel free to add modifications to this email template to adjust your needs. So yeah, dear, the name of our client, right? So I hope this email finds you well. I'm reaching out to extend a heartfelt invitation for you for an exciting opportunity to collaborate on future projects. After carefully analyzing our past interactions and considering the immense potentials for growth, I'm confident that joining forces will prove highly advantageous for both our businesses. Right, so definitely very high quality email templates that you can customize it based on your need. So yeah, guys, that's how you utilize HAL analysis to generate your prompt. I think that's it. That's all you need to know. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to learn how to use another tool, which is FlowGPT again, to generate you email template. Right. So I'll see you guys there. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to learn the same exact thing that we learned in the previous video. So we're still going to learn prompt engineering for email template. But in this video, we're going to utilize different tools. So instead of using whole analysis, we're going to use FlowGPT. So as you guys can see here, I've already tapped email and then search. And if you scroll down here, there are many different prompts available for you to use related to email template. So you have professional business email, we have cold email GPT, all right? So there are many of them and you should explore. But obviously the video is going to be very long if we try to test every single one of them. So I'm just gonna pick one that is most interesting, all right? So that is email generator. I'm just gonna pick this one. As you guys can see, this prompt is going to help you a lot to create an email in a short period of time, right? So normally it will take you like maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes to create like your email draft, but utilizing this prompt, you're going to spend maybe less than 3 minutes or even less than a minute to create your email template, right? So as you guys can see here, all we need to do is just to fill in the informations, right? So let's say the name is going to be my boss. Let's say his name is Mr. Johnson. All right, just just random name. And the subject, yeah, it's going to be a project update. All right, so I'm going to update my project, and his pronouns is going to be he, him. All right, and the pleasantries is going to be thank the recipient for the email. Yes, sure. The main point, just going to let him know that the data has been updated and the code has been integrated with the main system. Alright, so that's my main message, my main point. And the tone is going to be professional, informative, and maybe not sympathetic. We're just going to remove that part because that's not very relevant to our topics. And for the name, it's going to be see above, referring to Mr. Johnson. Alright, so I think I'm going to scroll down a little bit. And lastly, for the closing, it's going to be thanks for the time together on this project. Best regards. I'm going to replace there with your. Alright. So I think that's it. I'm just gonna send and see what ChatGPT is going to generate us. Alright. Dear Mr. Johnson, thank you for your email. I'm writing to provide you with an update on the project. We have completed the following tasks. Updated the data, integrated the code with the main system. We believe these updates will greatly benefit the project and improve its functionality. We'll be able to see these changes in action soon. We will be reaching out soon to introduce ourselves and answer any questions. I think I kind of messed up in the pronouns here. I think we should just replace this with I. So I'm sorry, guys. If there's anything else we can assist with in the meantime, please let us know. Thank you for your time and collaborations on this project. Best regards, and this is going to be my name, right? So yeah, guys. So that's the email. Definitely a very professional email. So I think this prompt really generates amazing email templates that you can customize to adjust your need, guys. So yeah, I think that's it for email. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to learn prompt engineering, but for text to image generator instead of ChatGPT. So I'll see you guys there.